Are you struggling to get the traffic to your offers that you want, not getting the income growth that you need, and feeling that you're grinding real hard without getting the outcomes that you want? This is my 12 Step to Success online series, and in this training I'm giving you the 6th step of the 12 and the 2nd of the planning phase. I'm excited to be outlining this 6th step for you, because when I started to get this right, everything just felt easier. Oh yeah, and the money started to flow too, so stick with me. Hey, Andrew Woodward here, and on this channel we focus on the best online marketing strategies that grow your wealth, build a long-term business, and allow you to work from anywhere using nothing more than your laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. Now, if you've missed any of the previous steps, make sure you go back and watch them after you've watched this one, of course. Now, I've left the link up there so you can go back to the first one. And make sure you subscribe and click the little bell to get notified when I release a new video, including the next steps in the 12-step process. And in this video, I'm going to share the 6th step of my 12 steps to online success, the 2nd of the planning phase. And this is something that all beginners or struggling affiliate marketers want to solve and have. And it makes a massive difference to the success of your business, which probably is why it's in the 12 steps, right? So the 6th step to online success is all about generating inbound leads. I see and I talk with a lot of affiliate marketers who are hustling their butts off to generate leads. Whether it's free organic marketing or paid ads, they're trying all the guru strategies, and I get it, I was like that too. And when you get started, you just want to make sales, and you know you have to hustle to make things happen. But what if there was a better way? What if there was a way to have leads come to you without you having to do anything? Once it's set up, of course. Well, there is. So let's take a look at the way I'm generating inbound leads without having to spend a cent on ads and without having to spend hours of my time hustling. The first step to this process of generating inbound leads is what's called a Facebook profile funnel. Now, before you get all uptight about having to build a funnel, let me explain. It's not that type of funnel. The idea of the Facebook profile funnel, as the name suggests, is creating a funnel from your Facebook profile. And if you're going to be an affiliate marketer and put your content and offers into the market, you must understand that people are going to be checking out who you are, what you're about. And the simplest and quickest way for people to do that is from your Facebook profile. So if they're going to be checking out your profile, you may as well turn it into a piece of real estate that generate leads for you, right? The funnel really only consists of 2 key parts. The first is your profile picture. You want to have a profile picture that tells people what you do, that identifies the people that you help, and shows them how they can get in touch with you or your content. So get a nice profile banner image created that explains what you do. And if you want to see an example, check out mine. The key is to make sure you allow for how the image will look on mobile, since most people are going to be viewing your profile on mobile. So there are a few things to be aware of, like where your profile image appears. Make sure you don't have the key text of your banner image covered by your profile image, and make sure that the banner adjusts well to mobile dimensions. I see a lot of people who have clearly created their profile banner on desktop, made it look really nice on desktop. And then when you check them out on mobile, the key text is covered by their profile photo. Okay, so a good profile banner image is the first step. The second part of your Facebook profile funnel is to have a good description for when people click on the image. So first, you want your image to have a call to action to click on it. When they click, it opens up a description, and this is a crucial piece of real estate as well. Here, you can provide a detailed description of what you do and how your new leads can connect with you. Some of the elements you want to include in the description are things like a link to your Facebook group if you have one, and you should. A link to a free resource that they can get just for engaging with your profile. And the ninja part of this step is that you can collect their email address when they claim their free resource. And the third part is a link for them to get on a call with you. Sometimes people are ready to act straight away. They've come to your profile because they've seen something of yours, they've heard about you, or someone has told them about you. So they're ready to act. So giving them a link to schedule a chat with you is a great way to help them quickly. And that's all there is to a Facebook profile funnel. 2 steps. However, the beauty of this funnel is that it will send free leads to your group or your calendar without you having to spend a cent on ads and without you having to hustle all day in Messenger or other groups. And once you build some momentum, as more people come into your group and you nurture them with some great content, your group members will start referring you to others and the snowball effect will be in full swing. You'll have created an inbound leads system that constantly fills your calendar and leads to sales that enable you to focus on content and customers without the hustle. Pretty cool, right? Okay, I hope today's video was helpful for you and gave you some ideas on how to create a Facebook profile funnel so you can grow your business and the financial rewards of your business effectively. If you're looking to get started in affiliate marketing and you want some personal support to get set up for success, to nail these 12 steps and be on your way to the online income that you want, then join my Inner Circle program where you can get one-on-one support over 6 weeks, a whole bunch of resources and tools that are proven to work and be earning an online income within 30 days. Click the link in the description to schedule a free call with me and we can get to work on a plan that gets you moving toward your goals quickly and effectively. Thanks for watching today's training. Don't forget to schedule a time with me. Click the link in the description and let's have a chat. And to continue to get these free training videos, make sure you click on the subscribe button and the little bell to get notified when a new training is released. It's the simplest way to ensure you don't miss any of the good stuff and you get access to everything that I'm doing or using to grow my business so you can grow yours. And do me a favor, click the like button, leave me a comment below to let me know what you thought of this training. I'll read all the comments and reply to each one. And don't forget, to get access to the free affiliate marketing training that I recommend, click the links in the description and let's get you building your business from today. And if you want to get on a discovery call with me, you can click the link in the description to book a time in my calendar and we can have a chat. Speak to you soon.